Hi everyone, welcome back. Today in this video, we are going to see how to host a static website inside EC2 instance. So for that, we need one instance. So let us go and deploy that first. So I'll give it the name as demo website, and I'll be keeping Amazon Linux itself. You can take any Linux flavors, Ubuntu, Red Hat, SUSE Linux, Debian, whichever you are good at, you can choose it. For now, default, I'll keep it as a Amazon Linux. Next, I'm going with the free tier T2 Micro. If you are using a free tier account of AWS, always check this should be there free tier eligible, or else you will get billings. Then select the key pair. I'm selecting my key pair. So let me select demo VPC. Subnet, I'll take this one, public subnet 1A. So I want a always make sure you need to have a public IP. If you don't have a public IP auto assigned, then you need to attach an elastic IP. So this is one. Then I'll be not creating a security group. I already have one security group. I'll show you what are the rules need to be there. So we are hosting the website. So it is hosted in a HTTP. That's why we need a port range 80 and SSH for like a 22 port is for SSH. If you want to access your servers, then you need. So I have selected that. I'll keep the disk size to 8 itself. I'll show you one more thing here. If you see at the end in advanced options, we will get to see user data. Directly from here, you can paste a code like a shell scripting in which your system will install the services required for hosting website and everything will be done automatically. And once your system is up, you will be able to access your website as well. But I don't want to do that today. I'll show you manually how to log in into the system and how to install HTTPD service. We are using HTTPD service for hosting website. Then we'll set up all the things manually, so you will be having good hands-on experience. So I'm launching this instance. Okay, it is launched. Let us wait for 2 minutes until it comes up. Okay, it came to run and initialize. Let us see, will I get access? Okay, good. I got access of the server. So let me take the root privileges. So first of all, let me update my system. This is the command m update y. So I'm pasting. Okay. So already the server is up to date and there is no dependency it is saying. So I'll go ahead and install the HTTPD service. For that, the command is install HTTPD. Okay. So I'll take this and I'll paste it here. So as I given -y flag, it doesn't ask me for any approval. It directly installs everything. So we can see these are installed packages, HTTPD file system, mail cap, all these things are installed. Now we need to create one file called index.html. But before that, we will check is it my HTTPD service is running or not. For that, the command is systemctl status HTTPD. Okay. So my service is inactive and it is dead. So currently it is not running, so we will not start it now. First we will create that index.html file in which we will write a small HTML code which gives us a website interface UI. Okay, so where that file will be located, the file path is cd/var html, sorry, www.www/html. So this is the file. If you click here, there is no files inside this. So I'll be creating one file here, pi.index.html. So now I have inside this file, uh, I have a code here already written, which will host a very small website. But I'll be using a one more little big HTML code in which there is more UI interface. That's it. It will be more good to look. So I'm using that. If you people are launching for the first time, it is very easy to just write a few lines of HTML code. The HTML will open and head. This is your header for your website. And in body section, you can write whatever the paragraph or the lines, whatever the headings you required, those things. You can write it and you can save it. So I am doing here is I'll command paste it here. So it is pasted. Now I am going to save this. Now everything is done. So how to do that? This wise the command is systemctl start httpd. Okay, I didn't get any errors. That means it should have been started. Let me check the status. Okay, now you can see it is active. Here you can see previously it was inactive dead, but now it is active and running. Also there is one more code, systemctl enable httpd. Okay, spelling was wrong. Systemctl enable httpd. Okay, so now you can see here use like by doing enable, it created a symbolic link. So it understands wherever that service and wherever it is present in my whole system, still the Linux kernel will be able to identify it and run the services whenever next time I'll just restart the server or when I'm rebooting the server. Okay, so this is done. Now let me get this public IP. Okay, okay, now I have copied my public IP of server. What I'll do, I'll write down my URL for the website manually here, http:// and IP of my EC2 instance, that is 49.106. I have copied from here only. Why I do this means sometimes if you directly copy and paste it from this EC2 console, it goes to HTTPS. I'll show it here. If you see here, now I tried to open that website, but it is went into a loop. It is just keep on searching, but it won't be able to identify what is my website. Why it happens? Because it directly pushes to HTTPS. So to avoid that, I have used this link. So manually I am writing down that is HTTP. We have hosted the website in HTTP, not in HTTPS. So I'll copy this. Now what I'll do, I'll close this. I'll open one more site and I'll paste it here. See, now very quickly we are able to log in into or we are able to see our demo website. So always make sure, if sometimes if it is not opening, try this solution once. Write down http colon forward slash with your EC2 IP. This may solve the issues. Okay. So in the meantime, we'll do one more small demo here in this video extension. For that, I'll go back to my system here. What I'll do, I'll edit this index.html. So let me delete all the lines here. Okay, I have deleted here. Now, previously I used this big code to like deploy my website. Now what I'll do, I'll use this small code. So you will also get to know this code also works, and I'll be providing this small HTML code in my description so you can use when you're hosting the website. What I'll do, I'll come and paste it here. Now I'll save this. Now I'll restart my service. It is always recommended to restart the service when you make any changes in your index.html. So systemctl restart. The command is restart and the service name httpd. Okay, it has restarted. Let us check the status once again. Okay, now you can see it is again active and running. If you see from last 8 seconds ago only it is running. That means we have successfully restarted the server and it is running on a port 80 and HTTP server it is, not a HTTPS, Apache HTTP. Let me go back to here. I'll refresh this page. Okay, so this is a new UI that is like it is fetching from this code, a very small code. So we can see now the UI interface has been changed. So now I hope you are also aware how to host a static website using EC2 instance. So if you have any doubts in this video, or whenever you're trying to do this demonstration, if you face any difficulties or if you're stuck in any steps, you can mention them in the video's comment section. I'll try to answer each one of your questions. And thank you for watching. I hope you like this video.